Mayo, 2 bata, edad 5 at 12 ang namatay dahil sa dengue sa Zamboanga City.
Though small, each may be carrying an illness-causing and at times deadly dengue virus.
Rushed her 2 kids to the San Lazaro Hospital after they displayed symptoms of dengue.
A national dengue alert following a spike in the number of dengue cases.
Spread of the deadly mosquito-borne disease.
Good day everyone, I am Hazel Bulasok, BSN 1D, a student nurse from Lyceum Northwestern University. And today, I will give you some information about dengue fever and how to prevent it. So what is dengue fever? Dengue fever is a viral infection transmitted to humans by the infected mosquito bites. The primary vectors of this disease are female mosquitoes, which are Aedes aegypti and Aedes albopictus. Dengue virus or DENV is the responsible for causing dengue. Remember that mosquito bites do not cause this type of disease unless they are infected with the dengue virus. Dengue fever was considered as break bone fever, which may give you an idea of the severe bone and muscle pain it can sometimes cause. This fever is not actually breaking any bones, but it can feel that way at times. Dengue fever symptoms usually appear in 4 to 14 days after being infected. But some people who are infected with the virus will not show any symptoms, and this is what we call asymptomatic. So what are the symptoms of dengue fever? The symptoms of dengue fever are high fever, severe headache, rashes, bleeding from the nose or gums, nausea or vomiting, and pain behind the eyes, in the joints, muscles, and or bones. So here are some ways to prevent mosquitoes from making a home out of your house and tips to enhance your protection against dengue fever. Tip number 1. Cover and clean your water containers on a regular basis. Common household items like pet water containers, planter dishes, and flower vases can serve as breeding ground since mosquitoes like to lay their eggs in standing water. Tip number 2. Always keep your house clean and tidy. Avoid leaving junk inside and outside your house because it can possibly house mosquitoes, and keep their eggs like old tires and other storage containers with water inside. Tip number 3. Wear protective clothing like long sleeves and pants inside and outside your house, most especially if you know that there is dengue outbreak in your area. Tip number 4. Use mosquito nets so you are protective against insect bites when you sleep. Ensure that there are no holes and it is properly sealed to get maximum protection. Tip number 5. Consider putting up screens on your windows and doors to prevent mosquitoes from entering your home. Tip number 6. Purchase insecticides that is effective against mosquitoes and is safe to use inside your home. Tip number 7. Dispose of waste properly. If possible, use closed trash bins and take out your trash on a regular basis. Segregating your trash may help prevent insects from entering your household. Tip number 8. Drain and clean your roof gutters to avoid water buildup. And last, apply mosquito repellent all over your body, most especially during the rainy season or if you know that you will be exposed to insects. And I would like to encourage you to practice these tips or ways for you to prevent dengue. Because always remember that prevention is better than cure.